Mount Everest. Edmund Hillary, the first to climb Mount Everest. Mount Everest is located in a remote area between Nepal and China. At 8,848 meters, the summit is the highest point on the surface of the planet. In 1953, Edmund Hillary and his local guide, Tenzing Norgay, struggled up the last few steps to the top. It was the first time that humans had left their footprints in this lonely spot. Or was it? George Mallory and Sandy Irvine. 30 years earlier, in 1924, George Mallory and Sandy Irvine had been members of another expedition to Mount Everest. On June the 7th, they climbed to camp, which was a tent on a small plateau just below 8,000 meters. The following morning, the two men set out for the summit. Their route was steep and dangerous, with snow and icy winds blowing across the mountain. Other climbers in the lower camps watched them through telescopes, but soon they disappeared in the thick clouds. Mallory and Irvine were never again seen alive. It seemed that their mission had failed. A mystery. In the years that followed, many climbers searched for the bodies of the missing men. It was only in 1999, 75 years after they disappeared, that the body of George Mallory was found. It was a short distance from the summit, almost covered by snow. Maybe he slipped and plunged down the steep rocks. His bones were broken, showing he was badly hurt by the fall. Injured and weak from exhaustion, it was impossible for him to survive. Some people believe that Mallory and Irvine reached the summit and then fell to their deaths as they were descending. Unfortunately, their camera has never been found. So no one knows the answer to their mystery. Hi class, so for this task, just like we would normally do in class, look at the key questions. So number 1, where is Mount Everest? What are the key words for this question? So you're looking at where. Where refers to what? It refers to a place. And what kind of place are you looking for? Mount Everest. So you need to be looking, where is Mount Everest? We're looking for another place. So I want you to go through each question and I want you to underline the key words. So number 2, if you look at question 2, this is a more of higher order thinking question. How high is the mountain? So what are you looking for here? Are you looking for numbers? Are you looking for a time? Are you looking for an explanation? Okay, how high? What are you looking for here? Question 3. When did Mallory try to climb Mount Everest? So again, what is the key word here? Number 4. Give 2 reasons the route was dangerous. Again, you're looking at 2 reasons. And what is the key word again? Number 5. When was George Mallory's body found? And number 6. Describe Mallory's injuries. So now your task for this slide is to underline those keywords and just make a note next to the question. What type of information are you looking for from your reading passage? Thank you. In this PowerPoint, I will explain to you the answers to the previous task. So what keywords should you have underlined? Number 1, where is Mount Everest? We're looking at where, so underline where, the place. And the keywords you're looking for in the reading text is Mount Everest. Number 2, how high is the mountain? So we're looking at how high. So again, high referring to a number, and you're looking for a specific mountain. Number 3, when did Mallory try to climb Mount Everest? So here we're looking at when, and it's going to be a time. So is it a time as in 3 o'clock? Is it time as in year? Time as in date? Number 4, give 2 reasons the route was dangerous. So your key word here is dangerous. So you're going to look for specific words that mean the same as dangerous. 5, when was George Mallory's body found? So again, you're looking at when, a time. And 6, describe Mallory's injury. So here you're looking at a description. What happened to him? How was he injured? Thank you. For this task, class, I'm going to ask for your names. And when your name pops up on the screen,
at the end of
I want you then to type the answer for the question that I ask you to answer.
Now,
and
without looking back at any of your notes, what do you really
respond
remember
back
about
by saying
Mount
whether
Everest?
it's correct or
you may
incorrect.
remember more, and that's brilliant. Please write down
For this
as much
task,
as you can
class,
remember.
I'm going
but
to
the main
ask
2 key questions I have for you
for your
today
names.
is, where is Mount
And when your name
Everest
pops up on the
located?
screen,
And who is
I want you then to
Tenzing
type the
Norgay?
answer for the
You may
question
type your
that I
answers
ask you to answer.
onto WhatsApp
and
chat
everyone
group now,
else will
and let's check whether you
respond
are right.
back by saying whether it's correct
Well done,
or incorrect.
class.
Thank you.
Okay?
For this task, class, I'm going to ask